we ever socialize again, we'll be bellying up to the bar.
But here is our new shelf that we're going to mount on the side of the bus. It's just a nice piece of knotty pine, but I did the Shou Sugi Ban technique of burning it on both sides and then a couple of coats of polyurethane on there. And I have some stainless steel hinges, a nice stainless steel gate latch, some chain, and I'm going to mount it right on the side of the bus here between the water inlet here and the door over here. All right, so this is how it's going to mount. I have stainless steel hinges that I've attached, and I've pre-marked where I want my holes, where I want my lines or my screws to go in right here, using the self-drilling screws, self-tappers, self-drilling, and splitting the difference a little here, so I've got room on that end for the latch.
That'll stay in there. Stay into the steel.
Yeah.
You're gonna do all four though, right?
Yeah.
Such a safety. Aww. Now the chains. There you go. Nice. There. Nope, even one more.
Cut this extra one off. Put off.
And close those loops.
And close the loops.
Shou Sugi Ban.
Shou Sugi Ban.
Shou Sugi Ban. Okay, no, why can't I? Why? Did a little burn on there.
So we'll be switching out the loops or the hoops, the eye hooks with stainless steel ones.
Yeah.
We just don't have them yet, but
I'll work
in
for
the
now.
meantime it'll get the gist of it.
Okay, we're ready. Ready to party. Just you and me, honey.
Doesn't have to be a huge shelf.
Just having party, just a party shelf.
That's a 1x12 piece of pine, so it's 11¼ inches wide. I think I ended up with 67 3/4. So
Perfect amount to.
doesn't interfere with the water intake.
We can make drinks on there. We can have the ice chest on there.
Bring it right
Yeah.
belly up to the bar.
That's right. Wanted to do this forever. Boy, that took like no time at all.
So yeah, so to finish it out, again, did the Shou Sugi Ban technique to burn it, and that sort of carbonizes the surface, so it makes it really tough. But we're going to be out. It's going to be hanging on the side of the bus here in the weather. So I did a couple of coats of the water modified oil-based polyurethane, and a couple coats. We can always throw in more coats on it if we need to, but we avoid the nasty weather, so it shouldn't be too bad.
I love it. So happy.
Yeah.
mix, honey?
Let's make a cocktail.
Okay.
What are we making?
We're making some martinis.
Martinis.
Just so people know, if you're having a martini, it's got gin in it. Otherwise, it's not a martini. And it has vermouth in it. Some people just kind of do this. I actually like vermouth, so I actually put. You just need a dab, though.
That was a tiny bit.
This is always, this has been a dilemma with bartenders. Do you shake gin or do you stir gin? I just always stir gin because somebody told me I could bruise it. I have no idea what that means, but it scared me because I didn't want to hurt the gin.
Don't bruise it.
So I'm very gentle with the gin. I like to let it sit in there with the water for a minute. Get nice and chilled. We don't have that much ice in there. On our new bar.
Oh, look at that.
This is what I've been waiting for this for so long.
Already got water spilling, but it's
That's what
so
it's
well
for.
well preserved that
It just beads off. And it's a little syrupy like that. That's why I like it.
2 olives.
2 queen olives.
Well, thank you, dear.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Here's to the bar. I love it.
Looking
No.
forward to sharing it with many people.
Yeah, once again, if we ever socialize again,
Someday.
we'll be bellying up to the bar. But in the meantime, join the Wander Boom.
Join that wander boom.
Cheers.